Good day, everyone. Today we will learn about multiplication of decimals. I am Teacher Cherry, your math teacher. In multiplication of decimals, first step is to write the problem vertically. Then, we multiply the numbers just like multiplying whole numbers. And third step is to place the decimal point as many as the total decimal places in the given number. Place the decimal point in the answer by counting how many places the decimal point has moved. Let us have an example. To multiply 3 by 14 hundredths, we will have a 14 hundredths. So to multiply it by 3, we must have 3 sets of 14 hundredths. So to get the product, we must combine the 3 sets of 14 hundredths. So you will get 42 hundredths. Let us solve. So write the problem vertically, and then we multiply just like multiplying whole numbers. 3 times 4 is equals to 12. Carry 1. 3 times 1 is equals to 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. 3 times 0 is equals to 0. And then, place the decimal point as many as the total decimal places in the given number. How many decimal places do we have here? Yes, correct. It is 2 decimal places. So we will move the decimal point to the left 2 places. 1, 2. So our answer will be 42 hundredths. Let us have another. If you will multiply 5 by 18 hundredths, so we will have 18 hundredths. And then, to multiply it by 5, we must have a set of 18 hundredths. So to get the product, we will combine the 5 sets of 18 hundredths. So you will have 90 hundredths. Let us solve. So write the problem vertically, then multiply the numbers just like multiplying whole numbers. 5 times 8 is equals to 40. Then carry 4. 5 times 1 is equals to 5 plus 4 is equals to 9. Then 5 times 0 is equals to 0. Then count the decimal places. How many decimal places do we have here? Very good. There are 2 decimal places. So let us move 2 decimal places to the left. So our answer will be 90 hundredths. How about multiply decimal by decimal number? Let us have 2 tenths and 6 tenths. So if you will illustrate 2 tenths, we will color it blue vertically. And then, if you will illustrate 6 tenths, color the grid horizontally. So we will have 6 sets of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will have 6 tenths. So to combine 2 tenths and 6 tenths, this is 2 tenths. To combine it by 6 tenths, the overlapping grid will be colored green. Let us count the grid types. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So we will have 12 hundredths. Now, let us solve. Let us write them vertically. Then, multiply them just like multiplying whole numbers. 6 times 2 is equals to 12, carry 1. 6 times 0 is equals to 0, plus 1 is equals to 1. And then 6 times 0 is equals to 0. Now, let us count the number of decimal places. 1, 2. So, there are total of 2 decimal places. So, we will move the decimal place or the decimal point 2 places to the left. 1, 2. So, our answer will be 12 tenths. Or rather, 12 hundredths. How about multiply 4 tenths by 7 tenths? So we will have 4 sets of 10 and 7 sets of tenths. So if you will combine them, the overlapping grid is colored purple. So we will count the tiles that covered with purple color. Let us count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 10, 12, 16, 20, 22, 24, 26, and 28. So our answer will be 28 hundredths. Now let us solve. Let us multiply 4 and 4 tenths and 7 tenths. So write them vertically, then multiply the numbers just like multiplying whole numbers. 7 times 4 is equals to 28, carry 2. 7 times 0 is equals to 0 plus 2 is equals to 2. Then count the decimal places. 1, 2. So move 2 decimal places to the left. So our answer will be 28 hundredths. Let us have another. Multiply 4 tenths by 14 hundredths. So let us multiply just like multiplying whole numbers. 4 times 4 is equals to 16. Carry 1. Then 4 times 1 is equals to 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. Then 4 times 0 is equals to 0. And then count the decimal places. How many decimal places do we have? Let us count. 1, 2, 3. So we must move 3 decimal places to the left. So our answer will be correct. It is 56 thousandths. Now it's your turn. Let us multiply 200 by 25 hundredths. What would be the first step? Yes, we write them vertically just like this one. And then, what is the next step? Yes, is to multiply just like multiplying whole numbers. So let us multiply. 5 times 0 is equals to 0. 5 times 0 is equals to 0. 5 times 2 is equals to 10. How about the second digit? 2 times 0 is equals to 0. Don't forget to skip one space or you can annex 0. 2 times 0 is equals to 0. 2 times 2 is equals to 4. And then add 0, 0, 0. 1 plus 4 is equals to 5. Then we will count the decimal places. How many decimal places do we have? 1, 2. So there are 2 decimal places. So move 2 decimal places to the left. So our answer will be correct. It is 50. Now it's your turn. Pause the video for 2 minutes, but answer how many decimal places do we have in each given number? Next, let us check your answer. How many decimal places do we have on 3 and 1/10? Correct. We have 1 decimal place. How about in 28 hundredths? Yes, there are 2 decimal places. So after multiplying 3 and 1/10 by 28 hundredths, we will get 868 thousandths. How about on number 2? How many decimal places do we have in 4/10? Correct, 1 decimal place. How about in 2 and 53 hundredths? Correct, there are 2 decimal places. So let us multiply 4 by 2 and 53 hundredths. So you will get 1 and 12 thousandths. Very good. Now it's your turn. Pause the video for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we will check your answers. Now let us check your answers. For number 1, we must write them vertically and then multiply just like multiplying whole numbers. 0 times 6 is equals to 0. 0 times 1 is equals to 0. 0 times 0 is equals to 0. 3 times 6 is equals to 18. Carry 1. 3 times 1 is equals to 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. 3 times 0 is equals to 0. Then add 0, 8, and then 4. Then count how many decimal places do we have in our given. There are 2 decimal places, so let us move 2 decimal places to the left. So our answer will be 4 and 8/10 or 4 and 80 hundredths. How about for number 2? Write the number vertically, then multiply just like multiplying whole numbers. 2 times 0 is equals to 0. 2 times 7 is equals to 14. Next, 1 times 0 is equals to 0. 1 times 7 is equals to 7. Then add 0, 4, then 1 plus 7 is equals to 8. Then count how many decimal places on our given. There is 1 decimal place. So move 1 decimal place to the left. So our answer will be 84. How about the last one? Let us multiply. 2 times 8 is equals to 16. Carry 1. 2 times 4 is equals to 4. 2 times 4 is equals to 8 plus 1 is equals to 9. Then 2 times 0 is equals to 0. 2 times 0 is equals to 0. Next, 3 times 8 is equals to 24. Carry 2. Then 3 times 4 is equals to 12 plus 2 is equals to 14. Carry 1. Then 3 times 0 is equals to 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. And then 3 times 0 is equals to 0. Then add 6. 9 plus 4 is equals to 13. Carry 1. 1 plus 4 is equals to 5. Then bring down 1 and 0. Then count the decimal places on our given. How many decimal places do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. So we will move 4 decimal places to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer will be 1,050. 536 10,000s. Did you get all correct answers? Very good. Congratulations, kids! Now you are ready to answer your module. Good luck!